All right. Next thing is this little rubber grommet. We're gonna replace this guy. I mean, you can see that thing is just falling apart. So, in order to do that, oh look at how bendy. That's bendy. That's bendy. Next thing is we're gonna have to pull this guy off. Pry this guy off. That is crusty. Man, that's bad. That was crusty. You know, for 57 years old, I expect a little more, okay? I'm just defending us older guys, okay? I'm not that crusty, just for the record. Sure hope this other one fits, because, yeah, we're in a world of hurt if it doesn't. Slip it right over the top. There we go. So we got that nice new seal on there. Now I'm just going to get this thing back together. That is nice. Here, check it out. All right. Nice and new. Nice and fresh. You can see back here. So simple. I mean, gosh dang. Couldn't ask for any easier than that. You couldn't do this on anything newer. Like a newer car, there's no way. You'd be into this hours. This is a nice simple fix. Gave nice new life to that gasket here. Nice and fresh.